Hey there, how we all doing today? As you can see by the special box, we're looking at a Seiko 5 watch. And by looking at this cool scroll design box, you know we're looking at the Naruto Boruto collection um, from Seiko 5. So Seiko 5 decided to design watches inspired by the popular anime, and here you got Naruto here. Each of these boxes come with a collection of uh, postcards with the different characters and the different watches inspired by them. Very cool, and you can see there, of course, the warranty card and booklet. So you just pop this open here to get the watch open, and just the attention to detail of telling the story of these watches and these characters is really amazing. Seiko's really outdone themselves with the Seiko 5 collection, and because Seiko 5 is the lower end of the Seiko spectrum, it's kind of nice that they're making these watches, where they're affordable and then they're cool, and then it's not, just the same type of color scheme over and over again. So here we're looking at the SBSA089. I love this red and black color combination. Red and black is killer. Um, there you can see the mark of the clan on the back of the watch. You got to remove the NATO strap a little bit to take a look at it, and you can see the glasses there on the strap. The glasses and the whole design is based on the character Sarada and her character in the show. Um, you know, it's based with the red, and you've got a little mark on the 4 o'clock position, which is supposed to symbolize a young ninja still in training. She inherited her abilities from her father, Sasuke, and the mother, Sakura. This is the Uchiha clan, and I haven't seen the show, but man, just look at this watch. The red, the black. That's a cool looking watch. The color combination kind of reminds me of the other limited edition that Seiko did earlier, the Brian May, the red special. It's that kind of color combination, but with the red and black, it's hard to go wrong. If you want a sharp looking watch that kind of stands out a little bit, you know, this one really does it here. This has got a 4R36 movement here, and you can see it on the wrist. My wrist here is a 7.5-inch wrist, and you can see it by no means looks large at all. This is a 42.5 millimeter case, and the way the lugs are designed, the way Seiko always do the lugs, it fits a little bit smaller. When you take a look at it, you can see the thickness of it is 13.4 millimeters. Now it sits off the wrist a little bit more because of the NATO strap in the back. So it sits a little higher. You might bang it a little up a little bit there, but it's a pretty tough watch. It can take it. This is based on the old SKX design, but it is not a dive watch. I repeat, not a dive watch. It's only 100 meters. It does not have that special screw down crown. And you can see how the dark black of the dial, like the red is brighter in the middle, and then it gets darker at the edges, almost kind of creating a cool look to the dial overall. Just a cool color combination. It's a real red, a rich red. Sometimes reds can look a little pink or a little orangey, but they nailed the red down perfectly here on this. And let's take a look in the dark. Oh wow, I wasn't kind of expecting this type of loom on it. It's very interesting. It's actually pretty cool. You can read it. It's pretty easy to take a look at it here. And then that little comma there, that little mark there that looks like a comma, that's got loomed up too for the young ninja in training. So that's a pretty cool little detail to add there. Thank you guys for taking a look at the video, and have a good one, y'all. Please like and subscribe.